This week was supposed to be busy, full, and fun. And then nature happened. The snowstorm seemed to be just a passing overreaction. And against all odds, it started snowing at 3 p.m. on Tuesday. Now, with that said, we canceled classes on Tuesday as the storm was due. The roads iced. We went to Zoom classes on Wednesday. The roads did not melt. We did Zoom classes on Thursday. It's more work than you think to do classes over Zoom than to do them in person. In addition to that, my business partner and I finally got our project back on track after several months of being stalled due to personal reasons. And we spent a large portion of the day on Friday debating the invention of the wheel. And so here's the spoiler for that. The wheel wasn't a wheel until it was a wheel. We did get to attend the monologue competition on Saturday, and one of my students won. Till next time.